invite me. Guest, she's in the person of Adaeze me. Adaeze me. I got it correct. Pacho, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, you near 95.1 FM. My friend Felicia Osei, mo akwa baba juma di so.
That's
Pacho dini boni ye mami akasa.
Adaeze me.
Adaeze me. This is a fancy thing,
Pacho in Nigeria.
Hey, me pray. Hey, nice one Nigerian.
Achai.
And okay, that's nice.
Martina, I'm more than 20 years old.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Adaeze me. I didn't share yesterday. I believe it has a me.
First daughter of a king or princess.
Oh, okay, so you're a princess.
Yeah, my late father was a chief.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, we have a princess in our midst, and then we are blessed to have royalty. Royalty. Your song is beautiful.
Thank you.
There's a name I love to call. Before we go into your song, who is Adaeze me?
Okay. Adaeze me, to start with, is a Nigerian. She is a lab scientist by profession.
Onua FM 95.1.
I'll say philanthropist. I love to give. I love to give to the needy, especially. I have a foundation to that. Adaeze me. They say workaholic, yeah.
Yes.
I love to work. I don't get tired of working. Adaeze me. I live in Tama. Yeah.
Tama is far.
Yeah. So I love to sing. I love to travel. Adaeze me is a very passionate person. I'm always passionate about things that I do. Sometimes it puts me in trouble when I'm too passionate. But I love to do something and do it very well. That's what I can say for now.
Adaeze me, that's a nice profiling.
Thank you.
We are glad to have you today. Adaeze me, is this your first song? Your first song?
No, this is not my first song.
This is your new song.
This was the latest song. It was released last month.
Oh, then it's very new.
Yes.
What's your name to us that thing?
Since 2018, I think this year I made 5 years in, like, as a gospel minister, someone who have released song. But I've been in the music ministry for a long time, ever since I was young. But this year made 5 years, so I started 2018.
Solely 2018, 5 years. That's beautiful. So, by anniversary now. Anniversary be. Hey, pressure.
Towards the end of the year.
Oh, wow.
More likely ICGC Committee 12, Miracle Temple. That's why I checked.
Oh, that's beautiful. And I'll be inviting musicians. If you are to do a concert.
My mommy first. Mama Hedarabos. On the may invite Mama Mary Gansa. May invite Anointed Michael. Pastor
95.1.
Of course, Pastor. Sorry, I'm inviting.
May invite women in gospel. May invite why I also am a member.
Okay.
May invite a lot of artists. So watch out for it.
Ghanaian artists better than better born also.
Sometimes but
you have any in mind? You have any in mind?
If there's anybody I wish to stand on the stage with, it's
Dinah.
Yes. Not because she's popular, but I've always loved her from behind. I mean, Okita charisma na may bompa say me be dako.
Okay.
I just
Probably or carrying who ye. And so far, I don't know who is carrying who ye in there.
A lot of people, but she's somebody that I really admire the way she goes about.
What's your one-on-one that so far?
Yes, I have.
You have?
We have chatted before because of Women in Gospel, actually. When we had the celebrity party last year,
okay.
I met her.
And how did it go?
It went well. She's a very down-to-earth person. I mean, Sylvia,
on China.
Some music.
Tell Mike, you know, think
okay.
There's some music.
Ministers now. It's true.
I didn't hear. On my birthday barrier be and I said
some of them have built some barrier.
Okay. Have you tried it? What try will be our
me to me body?
Make us a body come on What try will be our mouse look and say like be in your lane.
Yeah, make a program be. I mean him say women and gospel
Onua FM 95.1
artists in Ghana.
Yeah.
Him say so sometimes you go for program and you are even you know and toy because the truth is that but I'm expecting that if you're up there you carry it. I know there are people that they kind of support. You are a minister. Once you're a minister, you see, Obi, if somebody approaches you now, tell to me, a man, oh, how are you doing? Like, me, can,
So do you believe? So do you believe most gospel ministers, celebrity, na your mother church one on no? Being a celebrity.
it depends on
Onua FM 95.1
awesome. They would they will encourage. It's not everybody have come into contact with anyway.
But so far,
and I say, these are some of the observations I may observe, which is not too good. But others are.
First encounter wasn't nice, and you don't wish to meet them again.
You won't say that, but I wish to whisper to them, you have to be nice.
No matter who you are encountering with,
you have to be nice, because you never would know. And I look at the job where I am. I'm in the medical field. Now, it doesn't mean that because you're not nice to me, I'll be no. But I would have, gone the extra mile, to
help.
Yes, you don't know where you meet me, but regardless of, I still perform my duty, whether you're nice or not, because that is what I'm supposed to do.
Yes, your job is to be empathy on their sake. I get it. My first song, what was your first song? Did you write it yourself?
Yes, all my songs are written by myself.
Hey, you are talented.
It's the grace of God.
Hey.
It's the grace of God.
What's the difficult part of writing the music?
Difficult part?
Yes.
I think sometimes when God gives you the songs, you want to put more lyrics. You feel like we hear more substance. So I guess that's it. But otherwise, if it just drops, I write. I don't know if I've really encountered difficulty. But what I can say is that sometimes I wish that I could get more substance to the song. But sometimes beginning about how God is releasing the songs to me. Remember me few lines, then I'll be there. Then the song will just, especially when I'm a worshiper, the songs will just start dropping. And I realize that it's connected to the first verse that He gave me. And see, as you go along, then you're able to appreciate how you know.
Oh, that's nice. It's a new song. No one new song. No.
He's Jesus.
Oh.
He's Jesus.
He's Jesus.
He's Jesus.
It's all quite when here more. There's only one name you'd love to call.
Yeah.
The power doing so day in, day out, midnight, dawn, as you say, he never gives up on you.
No.
Then I inspire you way.
A Miami story. A Miami story. Now 2017, 2018.
Now 95.1.
So it was like one hospital to the other. One hospital to the other. It got to the point where I called my mother. I told my mother, "Mommy, you have to take care of yourself because I don't know if I'll be able to make this." But Dr. Akabibi, and in my spirit, I got angry. And I said I was going to go home. So I called my pastor and I said, "Pastor Reverend Kisi, Edward Kisi," and I told him that this is what the doctor is saying. And I don't want to do it. He says, "Don't do it. Let's agree by faith." He prayed with me. And I told the doctor to discharge me. I came home. And in my closet, I told God that if you will not heal me, then let me die here in this room. It was an emotional time. And I have spent money. I have been to one hospital to the other. I was tired. And I just said that to him. And when I said that, I had a lot of pastors, Pastor Enes, Caleb, Pastor John, Pastor James, all my pastor friends were praying with me. They would tell me, "May don't give up. God is going to answer this." My sister, I don't even know when God answered it. I got unemployed. That time I was also, I wasn't going to work because it was such that I couldn't move from here to that room without something happening to me. I didn't have the strength. My HB was 9.1. And I just knew that I just have to put my things together and just say goodbye to the world. It was that bad. And I was cashless. Because I spent and I had nothing on me again. It was more like I was virtually speaking to my friends who knew me before. They were supporting me financially. That was how bad it was. But when I called on the name Jesus, when I cried and I told him that, okay, he came in through for me. And I got this job, and the doctor saw me. Right while I was employed, I was admitted again at the hospital. They took me to the ward. But the doctor gave me some medication, and I kept believing God. Sweetheart, I cannot tell you exactly the day that I was healed. All I remember is that up to now, I never experienced what I was experiencing. It's too private. I can't discuss it on radio. But how God healed me to date is a miracle. Sister, it is a miracle. So I said that name Jesus, I will not stop calling the name Jesus. So I want everybody to know that when you call on the name Jesus, my sister, whatever you are believing God for, just have the faith.
Onua FM 95.1.
So that we have, you can pray to God about something, but you may not have the faith. You will still be thinking about the illness. So when I prayed to God, I took my mind off it, and God healed me. And today, I don't think there's anything that is buyable I can buy. It's God.
It's God.
And God blessed me financially, blessed me. And I always also be a blessing to as many people that I have to bless.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. You could see a menu nimra. Now also bones and you it carries weight.
That name is Jesus. There's a name I love to call. He is Jesus. Jesus, that's who you are. There's a name I love to call. That name is Jesus. There's a name I love to give. His name is Jesus. There's a name I love to call. He is Jesus. Jesus, that's who you are. There's a name I love to call. He is Jesus. There's a name I love to give. The name is Jesus. He is Jesus. There's a name I love to call. He is Jesus. So Jesus, Jesus, that's who you are. So Jesus, Jesus, Master Jesus, Jesus, Emmanuel, Jesus, that's who you are. So Jesus, Jesus, mighty mover, Jesus, Jesus, that's who you are. Jesus, Jesus, that's who you are.
And you it's simple and very nice. It's the name I love to call, and he is Jesus. You come. Because said na me see nkomo bi wa wonten a me beti enwum no to say it's okay. They be see bia yeah pass the mirror. Pass the mirror. In all things, let's thank God.
Yeah.
They be see bia. Me patrol. It's It's been a lovely conversation with you.
Thank you.
Your final words.
My final words. My final words is I just want to encourage somebody that just keep believing in the name Jesus, especially those who are Christians. And there are times when you go through a lot of trials, you go through a lot of difficulties. Sometimes you are tempted to ask, where is Jesus? I mean, I didn't know Yankoboy Jami say, but I don't want you to give up, because he says he has not promised us of trouble-free world, but he has told us that it doesn't matter what we're going through, he's going to be there with us. So, just be encouraged. Keep believing in the name Jesus. Keep calling on the name Jesus. And I know that as you keep calling on the name Jesus, whatever you're believing God for, obey your mouth. And let me say thank you to Anointed Michael. He's supposed to be here today with me, but he's no he had other engagement. My mommy, Mama Mary Gansa, my pastor, Reverend Edward Kisi, my music directors, Hakim, Eddie, and all my backers. Abigail, who is here with me this morning. Thank you, Abigail. And everybody my mom, Madam Gladys, I love you. All my friends, Ernest, Caleb, Pastor Eben, Mr. Agambila, everybody. I can't mention everybody's name, but I want to say thank you so much for your support, for your love, and I'm grateful.
Thank you so much, me. And you have a telephone number.
All social media handles.
Okay.
We'll call YouTube, we'll call Spotify, we'll call Amazon, wherever. All social media handles will be home. And very soon I'll be coming out with the video.
The title
He's Jesus, but Adaeze me. So Adaeze is Adaeze. So Adaeze, the month May. Adaeze me.
Were you born in May?
I was born on the 1st of May. And I released the song on the 1st of May.
Pressure. Until person and you may not download it, go on all streaming platforms. Now download it. Adaeze May. It's a new song in town. You need to get a song to rely on. Oh, if you're not saying, also you be meditating. And this is the song. This is the song. Adaeze May, it's been a wonderful conversation with you. Thank you for passing through.
Thank you for having me.
We are honored. And we had my best share you.
Yo, that's it.
There's a name I love to call. He is Jesus. There's a name I love to hear. That name is Jesus. There's a name I love to call. He is Jesus. Jesus.